Hey my dudes, my name is Cecilia and welcome to my kitchen here in Stockholm, Sweden. Today is the 11th day of our 12 days of Christmas and we are making ISCHOKLAD. This is by far and away the easiest recipe in this series, which is great because I felt like the nougat was absolutely gonna kill me. These little chocolates require only 2 ingredients and whip up super fast, and so they're great to make with kids or as an easy DIY gift. Let's get started. The first and most important ingredient in these is chocolate, and I have very kindly been gifted some of this 70% chocolate from Xoco. If you have watched some of my past videos, you know that I have worked with them before and I use them for like all of my chocolate needs. Xoco is really cool because they do single varietal chocolates, so most chocolate that you get is gonna say that they came from like, oh, it's Ecuadorian, it's Peruvian, but that could mean like 4 or 5, however many varieties, all in like from one place. Whereas this chocolate is from one single varietal from one single country. So in this case, the varietal is Mayan red, and this is a varietal that they have developed themselves. So think of it as like, instead of saying, this pie is made with apples from Washington, we say, this pie is made with Granny Smith apples. It's kind of like that. Anyway, the key to these little guys being delicious is having really, really good chocolate, because that's like the only flavor is chocolate. So if you use bad chocolate or chocolate that isn't super great, it's not going to taste good. It's as simple as that. This recipe goes a lot faster when you don't have to chop up your own kilo blocks of chocolate. Just throwing that out there.
Into a small bowl, place 200 grams of dark chocolate and 100 grams of coconut oil. Bring a small pot of water to a simmer and then place the bowl of chocolate over it to melt. You could just as easily melt this in the microwave. While it's melting, place your little foil cups on a plate or tray. Just make sure it's as flat as possible. These foil cups can be found in almost every grocery store in Sweden, but I don't remember seeing them in the States, so I'll put a link in the description so you can buy them online. Once your chocolate and coconut oil is melted and stirred together, pour into something like a creamer or measuring jug, just something that'll make pouring into those little cups easier. And then just proceed to pour the chocolate in.
And that's it. That's the whole thing. That's the whole recipe. Really, literally could not be any more simple. Now, these just go in the fridge for a couple hours, or I'm gonna have them in there overnight, and then we'll have them tomorrow. Done. Literally could not be simpler. And now there's nothing to do but to eat one. They're so good. And they're mainly so good because the chocolate I used is so good, right? But because of the coconut oil, they just like whoop, disappear in your mouth. And these are so simple. They do obviously like need time in the fridge, but otherwise like they take 5 minutes to make, and then you wait. These probably like would have been fine after an hour in the fridge. So great for kids, great as a gift. If you have an hour to 2 hours to have them sit in the fridge, then these are like, they come together in a snap. Like, I love their little foil cups. I just think they're so festive looking. I'm gonna make them a little bit more festive looking though. Hold on. See if I can't fit these on here. Well, they don't quite fit, but it's still cuter than this tray. Adorable. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this week's video, then please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a good week and happy holidays. Hej då!